Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick intro video for this series. I'm taking on a project. A lot of people have done them already, but I'm trying to build a E46 M3 Touring. And I have a sedan that I've built and came across some good deals, was able to get a wagon, was able to get a convertible M3, chopped it up, and want to make two into one. So this will be the first video of the series though, and then hopefully if I can stay consistent, can record more content for other videos. So bear with me. I'm not that great. I'm not a video content creator. I'm just trying to put some clips together so that I can share the experience with others if they care to see that kind of stuff. All right. But I'll go ahead and get into the clips. This first video will be just a showcase of a lot of pictures, mainly because I didn't record a lot of video for the tearing down of the M3 Convertible. I was kind of short on time, and you know how that goes with work and kids. Kind of had to make do with what time I had, so I had a week, and in that week I had to take apart a silver SMG convertible and get everything I could think of off of it and get it sent off to scrap metal before getting back to work. So I took some time off from work just to do this, and surprisingly was able to get it done. But unfortunately at the cost of not being able to record a lot of content because I was just doing everything by myself. But I hope you at least enjoy these pictures, and then future videos that I release will have more video content, not just picture content. So I'll do what I can. If you guys have any comments or anything, just feel free to drop them in there. All right, thank you. All right, so what we have here, just a brief introduction, is the 2004 Orient Blue wagon. Very base model. It's got a blown engine, so I'll have to pull that out. But it's a good base. I think it has 160,000 miles on it. No rust, which is good. Clean title. Put this up. It is packed full of goodies that I have waiting for it. Looking forward to getting started on this. It's a little crusty, obviously, but I think it's going to turn out really well. I'm looking forward to working on it with my 10-year-old son. Hopefully we can make some progress, and I'll introduce him in some future videos. So I'm excited to start stripping out all the stuff out of it, because we need to get it down to carpet out, all the seats, headliner, everything, because we have a full black carpet set, full red interior, full black headliner kit. We have some parts such as the roof rail delete kit. We got that going on too. Got all the metal bodywork from the M3 from the convertible I stripped out, so that'll all be getting placed on here. And then of course we have the full SMG S54 swap that's going to be going into here as well. I'm putting together a wiring kit for that so that I can make that happen. That should be pretty fun. But just wanted to give a quick introduction, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, so I don't really record a lot of video, but I guess I'll do a little clip here just for timeline's sake. So what we have here is what's left of the E46 M3 Convertible. I've taken everything that I needed off of it for the wagon conversion. And the front has non-M hubs to keep it a roller. The rear has a non-M rear subframe assembly to keep it a roller. And I kept all the M3 stuff over here. Took all the little bits that I needed, pulled the carpet, pulled the chassis harness just so I can have extra wiring, because I like having extra wiring. And pulled the gas tank because metal recycling will not take it if there's a gas tank in there with gas, so that had to be emptied. And of course we have the rear fenders, quarter panel areas that were cut out. And we also went ahead and cut out the trunk floor. Gonna need that too. There it is. All the stuff that I need. All the body panels that I need. And then there's an engine in there somewhere, an S54. Since I'll be keeping this an SMG conversion, I went ahead and kept things like the clock spring, since it has the 2 pin in it for the paddle shifters and the shifter assembly. And then that's the main reason why I kept the chassis wiring harness, so that I could go ahead and pull all of the SMG specific pins and wiring and wire that directly to the SMG DME, along with any other wiring that I need to do. So anyways, just a quick video showing what is left of this cannibalized car. And these are 4 trashed 18-inch by 8 front wheels from the M3. I have 4 of them, and I kept all the rears for myself because that's what will be going, a square rear setup on the wagon right there. All right, till the next one.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Set, get off the brake. Go, get off the brake. Just let it run. All right, good. Stop. All right. I made it. I can't believe that worked. Oh, I can't wait to watch this video. It's like you pulled it and it just skidded. Oh, oh, awesome. Wish I.
Car addict